Hey, welcome to Canva in a minute. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a background from a photo using Canva. First, choose the image. In this case, I'm going to choose this photo right here. I'm going to set it as background. Now to remove this background, we'll need to have the Edit Image tab right here. So we're going to click on the photo. Now we have the Edit Image tab and we're going to click on it. Then go down to Background Remover. It could be BG Remover or Background Remover. It's the same thing. So we're going to click on it. And there you have it. The background is completely removed. If you'd like to download the image without the white background layer, click on Download, click Transparent, and then download the image. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.